Hey students, it's Mr. Halpin, and I want to give you a quick tutorial of how you will take your attendance when you're at home on application days. This is my normal Canvas page. When you log on to Canvas, it may look similar to this when you get on there. It could also have a look like this in the card view. Regardless of how it looks, to take your attendance, you want to go to the Raymond Park Intermediate and Middle School class. You can click on it right there. You could also go over here to courses and you could click on it there as well. We'll go ahead and do that. Once you click on the Raymond Park Intermediate and Middle School cohort course, you will see right up here a place to take your virtual attendance. You will want to click on virtual attendance for the next step. Now that you've clicked on virtual attendance, you can see that this particular student has not taken attendance for every single class. Periods 1, 2, and 3 all have a green checkbox, but you'll notice for Tech Ed, PE, Language Arts, and Math, there are question marks. So it's important that this is where you click so you can take your attendance for those class periods. We'll go ahead and take attendance for Tech Ed here. Once you click on Tech Ed or Technical Education, you will see you have a question. Did you attend Technical Education today? If that is a correct statement, you would go ahead and hit yes, and then you would go ahead and submit. Now, when I hit submit, one of two things will happen. Ideally, it's going to show a green checkbox, and if the green checkbox shows up, that shows that you have successfully taken attendance. But it's quite possible you might get an error message. So let's see what happens when I hit submit. Okay, in this particular case, it went ahead and accepted my attendance with the green checkbox. The reason it will not accept your attendance is sometimes you need to go into your settings and clear your browsing data. So I will show another video on how to do that. But take a look, for this particular student, they would still have to take attendance for 3 more classes. I hope this video has been helpful. And students, if you are getting that error message, please watch my next video on how to fix it so you do not get the error message.